Good afternoon. All right. So for the second time, good evening, everyone. How are you? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
All right, so I'll just wait until a few more students come before I start, all right?
Okay, sir.
Is so only so this the class take long to come to class?
Sir, it's because of the rain on the roads. Some people still trying to get home, sir.
Oh, all right. In the meantime, go and look on the screen. You recognize what I've done? I just put everything
Yes,
in a tabular form. You see that? You recognize that?
yes, sir.
So what is happening now is it makes it easier now for you to do a comparison. So I can see that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, is equal to 8 pints, is equal to 16 cups, and is equal to 128 fluid ounces. So I would have told you that 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. And then in the other part of the table, I've also mentioned 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. And I've mentioned that for so forth and so on. So now you see the relationship. So if 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, half a gallon has to be half of 4, so it's going to be 2 quarts. Half a gallon will be half of 8, so it's going to be 4 pints. Half of 16 is 8. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So you should be able to use this table to, just have an idea of the things that are there. So I put my 3 teaspoon rather, to be equal to my 1 tablespoon. And remember, I told that 1 tablespoon is equals a half fluid ounce. So I'm showing you the relationship with these here now. So look at it. Here, my 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So therefore, a half pound is going to be 8 ounces. A quarter pound is going to be a quarter of 16, which is 4. 1/8 pound is going to be 2 ounces. How you know, sir? Whatever's in the denominator, that's what we're dividing by. So 1/2, if you find a half of something, you can divide by 2. Why? Because the 2 is in the denominator. If you have if you're trying to find 1/3 of something, because you have 1/3, you divide it by 3. So forth and so on. So look at that for me, please, because I want to talk to you tonight about edible portion and as purchased cost and as purchased weight and then something there. So I'm going to give 10 more minutes, I'm going to ask you not to waste the time, to use these 10 minutes to look at these and see how best you can put it to long-term memory. 10 minutes time from now, I shall begin, call it 5:30, and then they will just catch with the recording. So just go through this as best as you possibly can. That's okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. All right, guys. I'm back with you. I'm back with you. I'm back with you. I'm back with you. Question. Are you guys going through the document that I'm sharing?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to look through it.
Sir, what's the headquarters? Everything.
Can you see better now, Naomi?
Sir?
Can you see better now?
Sir, Melo.
Sir, the 1/8
Yes, sir.
cone cut off. I'm not seeing it.
You're
Let
not
me
seeing it?
no, not seeing it
Sir,
properly.
I'll carry for someone.
1/8 are 2 ounces. All right, I'll fix it in my book.
You seen it now?
Yes, sir. Better, thanks.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm going to ask you some questions from this. Just look at the stuff. This is just to help you to try and memorize. I have a challenge question. Somebody just spoke about 1/8 a pound to be 2 ounces. How many teaspoons? How many teaspoons are there in 1/8 of a cup? How many teaspoons are there in 1/8 of a cup? How many teaspoons are there in 1/8 of a cup? Anybody would answer it? Hmm? When it start already? Me asking the class a question and nobody answering me?
Sir, still thinking about it.
Okay.
Sir, my battery died, but I just getting home, sir. So I missed some parts of the class.
Don't worry about it, Shan. I was just asking a question. How many teaspoons are there in 1/8 of a cup?
So I would say 6. So it seems like 6.
Anybody else? How many teaspoons are there in 1/8 of a cup? I heard one answer so far. What say you? How many teaspoons are there in a 1/8 of a cup?
Sir, is it 6?
Yes, Tracy. Congrats. Shant,
Yes, sir.
congratulations.
Yes, sir.
You said it out to the bat. It is 6. 1/8 of a cup is really a half fluid ounce. 1/8 of a cup is actually 1 fluid ounce. How many cups are there in a half fluid ounce? Just if you're thinking.
Can repeat, sir, because the rain is falling and I'm not really hearing it so clearly.
Yeah,
Can you
trust
repeat?
me. Trust me. I never mind.
116, sir.
This should be 1/16, right? Very good. What I was asking is what value go here on the cup? And it will be 1/16. All right. So let me move on. Come on. Marion, I start now. Alrighty. Everybody seen that new shirt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whoopsie daisy, my battery's dying. Hold on, let me charge my computer, please. Hold on, computer, hold on, computer, hold on, computer. Hold on. So 3.8 liters is equal to 3,000 milliliters is equal to 1 gallon. 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups. They're all liters. So you notice one talk about liters and milliliters, and also making reference to gallons. Then Naomi was saying something about the box drink, and she was saying it's just 500. This is really what the box drink is: 474 milliliters. 500 milliliters is really 16.9 fluid ounces. So you know, sometimes you go and buy a box drink for craving people, and you get the oh goodness, Pepsi. Pepsi has a little bigger size than the regular size Pepsi. True or false?
True,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, man. So it's not as big as a 2 liter, but it's not as small as the 579. So there's maybe about a 750. Anybody has one of those in their possession and can just tell me what volume of it? Anybody know? Yeah.
No, sir.
So what you need to do for me next time, when you check check to see if it's 750 milliliters or 25.4 fluid ounces.
Okay, sir.
All right, cool. Okay, so let's move. I'm going to be explaining some stuff to you. We're going to have a conversation. Big man talk now. So we're talking about edible portion. Edible portion, EP, is defined as a form in which the product is served. So you're serving me some gizzardas that I absolutely love. You're serving me a shepherd pie that I absolutely don't give a hoots about. You're serving me some nice KFC hot wings that I'll have at this point in time. That is my edible portion. Edible, what word comes to you when you talk about edible?
Can be it, sir.
All right. So something that can be eaten. So it's my edible portion. So once you hear anybody talk about edible, it is something that can be eaten. All right. So it is going to be defined as a form in which the product is served. String beans, cauliflower, broccoli, shoulder steak, anything that is in a form to be served is called your edible portion. So edible portion refers to the amount that can actually be eaten after trimming and cooking. For example, one pound of raw beef, 1 pound of raw ground beef will not give you 1 pound of cooked ground beef. Did I tell you this the last time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because when that fire touch it, and the beef starts shrivel up, it is losing fat and it is losing water. Water in terms of moisture, not water we can drink, Water in terms of moisture. All right? So, so whenever you're doing your stuff, you have to be very careful. So if I want a pound of ground beef, edible portion, I can't start off with a pound. I have to start off with more than a pound. Can anybody see that reasoning? Is it logical? Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 pound of raw ground beef will yield about 13 ounces of ground beef. So here's my question to you. If 1 pound of raw ground beef will yield 13 ounces of cooked ground beef, how many ounces am I losing to moisture and fat?
3.
3, sir.
Very good. Very good. So I can safely say then, for every 1 pound, I'm losing 3. So that means if I cook 2 pounds, what will be my edible portion?
It would be 32. So it
26
would be about
ounces, sir.
It will be 26 ounces. Very good.
yeah.
Because I could say also 13 plus 13 is 20. Sorry, 16 plus 16 is 32. But I'm losing 3 for one and 3 for the other. So I'm losing 6. So 32 minus 6 is going to be equals to how much? When I subtract 6 from 32, what do I get?
26, sir.
26. But remember, also said that 13 ounces, 1 pound of ground beef yield 13 ounces. So this 13 ounce times 2 will give you a 26 as well. Again, pause. Everybody understand I talk about here with the edible portion?
Yes, sir.
Is there
Yes,
anybody in
sir.
is there anybody in the class that don't understand what edible portion is? My edible portion refers to the amount that can actually be eaten after trimming and cooking. All right? Watch this now. My yield test. Remember, I said to you that if you are asked to cater for a function, you want to ensure that everything that you prepare is going to be eaten. Because you can't prepare for a function and then you have one pot of rice left over because the person who your customer is going to say, no. After me not pay you $1 million for do this, may I take back my rice out of it? So you have to know how to do the yield test. Do me a favor. I'm going to ask you to read this through for me twice. Read it through one time, and then read it through again, and then I'm going to come and explain it. Finish reading. Talk to me now.
Almost, sir.
Okay. Let me know when you're done.
Finish, sir.
Okay. So let us do our yield test now. We should do our yield test. But before we do our yield test, I'm going to give an example. I just got me a job at Holiday Inn. But they don't start me out immediately to do the fancy stuff. Let me say, yo, youth, go and go trim them bag of lettuce. It means that I have to investigate the lettuce to see if there are any black spots on it or any leaves, any quilted leaves on it. And then I cut it off so it is that it can be appealing to the look. True or false?
True, sir.
So therefore, a yield test is a process in which raw products purchased in an as purchased form, which is really the cost of the product, is broken into edible product and waste. It's broken into edible product and waste. Now, remember I just gave you an example a while ago about the lettuce. Somebody's going to peel off the black spots and trim the quilted leaves so that I have nice, pristine, pretty looking iceberg lettuce to put into my sandwich. Follow me?
Yes, sir.
What do I do with the portion, or what is the portion that I cut off called?
The trimmings are waste, sir.
Trimmings are waste. The portion that I put down safe because I'm going to use it a little later on, it's called what?
Your edible meat, sir.
Edible portion.
Your edible portion. Right. So you can have your edible portion versus your waste. So your yield, your as purchased form. As purchased is how you purchase something. The form in which you purchase something. Let me ask you. When I purchase, okay, let me not ask it like that. Let me ask it a different way. Is there any product you can think of that I can purchase in the as purchased form that moves directly from as purchased to 100% edible?
Fruit, sir.
Which of the fruits?
Like apple.
Sir, guava.
Or grape.
Sir, some of them they
Melon.
sir.
Say it again?
Some of those fruits can be spoiled, sir. So you
As-
would eat it. It's a cause what if you realize it have a worm spot or something, sir. A part of it soft, sir. You know, say it not for soft. You gotta cut off the part there.
Okay. Anybody else? I soon come to you now. I'm coming right back to you. Anybody else?
Sir, I said
So
mine was guava. That can be one of them, sir.
Me not know. We're gonna talk about it. So go over afterwards.
Sir,
Sir, cheese.
Cheese. Okay. All right. Anybody else? I mean, everybody's supposed to can come with something. There are only 6 of you, 5 of you in the class. Talk to teacher. Come on, talk to me.
Alright.
So I heard
The drumstick one. Then you have to take it off, wash it down, fry it, and put it on the fryer.
but that is not so let me answer. But you have to do something to that, Naomi. As purchase, as purchase means that
Sir, KFC, sir.
KFC.
Yes, sir. You better eat it, sir. I'll if it's spoiled, I know you let me eat it, sir.
Well,
Them
take
keep
I,
it,
I am like you, but guess what? You know, I'm not born in your KFC.
Check
Sir,
the
that's
boys.
sir. I
Are
breast
the
my heart,
tenders.
sir. So we eat everything, sir.
You too wicked, man. Oh, goodness gracious. Your breast don't have no bone in it. I mean, not your breast, but I mean the chicken breast don't have no bone in it.
So she
Sir,
attack, she
it
must talk
just
about
have
the
the
zinger.
little gristle part, sir.
Listen to me, that is a
Why the
waste.
zinger, sir?
Sir, me eat it, sir, and drink juice.
It have bone too. See, what's the whole on the now, Tracy? May I ask you a question? So when you buy your KFC, you chop the bone, they might eat it too?
Me, sir? No, sir.
Okay, because you're a hot girl, don't.
I don't ever like fried. No, sir. I chop my bone when I there home, but I'm not gonna try to in a pub, try it up in a public. You mad?
That's same way, so that's why I'm gonna eat certain things from road, because I forget to, I had a forgive me, Lord. Had an experience once, go on nice restaurant, man, and I eat some oxtail, man. The oxtail sweet, And when I'm looking at the middle of the oxtail, I say, oh God, all that yummy, juicy juice, me can't even show up and suck.
I don't pack it in my carton.
Please, I'm just leave one piece of something. I said, I'm packing. Me have a doggy bag, please. And when I come home, Mr. Man, I sort it out. Hey, that is the nicest part of the oxtail, When you can get that juice out of that bone and you chop everything, Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
that's why I'm not place go all and nobody have fancy when I can't eat it when I want to eat it, sir. Because I vex my money I waste, sir.
Same way, miss.
Yeah, but
Same way. So you know what I'll do? You be uptown, so you eat a little piece of it and say, oh, I'm full, not a blowout full. So you eat piece of fish and you look at the head and say, you can't eat out. I said, no, man. You just eat off one little piece of it at the side, and then you go drink something and fill up your belly. I say, I'm kind of rest home, man. It's very nice, yummy. And when you go home, you start it out. Yeah, man. So the point I'm making though is, no, let me not to the point yet. So somebody said apple. You eat all of the apple?
The
And you
middle
said
part, I
grapes,
don't eat,
sir, or strawberry?
You eat all of the strawberry?
No,
No.
sir, I don't eat the part at the top, sir.
No, the green part can't be eaten.
That's a leaf, so you can't eat that. So let me go to
No.
the grapes now.
The
asperges.
vine. No.
You know, talk about a tomato. You eat
Yes,
everything.
that can be eaten like that.
Talk about the stem.
Sir.
The stem? Sir, you're nasty tomato nowadays with stem, sir.
No, man, but remember, when you buy the tomato, you can have a little piece of stem part in
The
there.
grape tomatoes?
No. Well, if you buy the
The grape tomatoes can use just like that.
yeah, if you're talking about the
Use
grape
in a salad
tomatoes
just
now,
like that.
right? If you're talking about the grape tomatoes now, yes. So it means that your as purchased form will be equal to your edible product.
Yes, sir.
Good. The point I'm making now is some products, when purchased, you can have it as your edible portion and enough waste, or you can have a little bit of waste. Now, make we talk business. And this is a fun part of me remembering, doing this many years ago. Woo. You have some people call themselves pig farmers because them wear them little hog, but them smart. Because through them know say them have one little hotel down the road. And them say them now walk with them foods, them products so far. I don't say them go supply it. Besides, the purchasing manager live on your avenue and you know the person. And you kill a goat and you pig. And you knock up the purchasing manager and say, yo, here's the plan. The piece of back leg of yours, And say, serious? I say, yeah, man. And now for that to go and say, anybody want a piece of some pork to buy because I'm killing a boat? 10 og. I say, yes, man. Because the other day, you give me a piece of pork leg. And it lean and nice. You know, have no whole heap of fatty with it. You hear me say? No whole heap of
Yeah.
fatty to it.
Yes, sir.
It means, say, if I cook 1 pound of nice lean pork versus 1 pound of fatty pork, which one of them going to give me more edible portion?
The lean part, sir.
The lean part
The
is going to
lean
give it.
one.
Yes. So I say this to say to you that when these purchasing managers at hotels and restaurants and business owners who are in the food industry, what them do is them going for the lean portion because them don't want to lose money. Them don't want to lose the money. I'm going to come back to this, you know, because sometimes them can't escape it and them lose money. You know, one of the things that kind of frustrate me when I'm going to buy fish. When I'm going to buy fish, them have the whole gut in the fish. And some fish crave me, say, Jesus, when you open him up, I crave out with him having there, you know, have not left him
I
to eat
tell
up.
you.
Jesus, all them craving fish, I mean, I want them, you know. But guess what happened now? When I go to buy fish and look, sprat them got the sprat already. You know, so the price of the sprat, the gutted price
Increase.
of the sprat, you talk truth. And I want you to remember that. I want you to remember that, Tracy, because that example I just gave a while ago, I am going to come to it in another 2 or 3 little write-up. So remember now, when I sell my cabbage, if I'm a lettuce, if my cabbage I'm a lettuce, dirty, with like a red dirt, and blacky something off it, and then we have to spend some.
The same thing is callaloo too.
And callaloo, yes, man. And your mustard and your kale and your rosemary, all of them, yeah, man. You see, all of them something, you know me? If when me I go and pop throat, you know, you see, when me I go do all of them something, you know, I may have to go cut up and get all of them leaves something, and it means say, never go buying more. So instead of buying 100 pounds to serve for breakfast on a given day at the hotel, never go end up buying 150 pounds that have more money me I spend. And then the boss man I go say, no man, you spend too much money, man. So therefore, these managers, these purchasing people, when them, and I'm telling you this, you know, because on the summer when we go in the kitchen, go do big things. These people know when they're doing this stuff, them going to go to the farmers and going to say, yo, I like buying from you because your product is clean. Your product is clean. I want it. And guess what? You see the man who out there have nice, when they look on the pig, them say, blow, you pick them fatty. You say, yeah, man. But when they bust them open, a pure fat between skin and meat, the managers, them not going to buy that. Them not buy it. Them not buying it. Or if they do purchase it, you have to trim it first and then sell them at that price. So put it this way now. So this is how the pig farmers them now reduce the whole heap of fat where them have in their meat so them can get the meat more lean. The same hotel where them go sell them pork to, at the same hotel them say, yo, beg them cabbage leaf, you know, and them lettuce leaf, you know, and them callaloo leaf, you know. And the hotel man say, yeah man, take up as much as you want. And the farmer say, where you say? And he said, no man, take as much as you want. And the man say, all right. And the man take out him phone and call and say, hey, brethren, carry the truck come. And by the time he say, who that? The purchasing manager look out the door and say, whoa, how the bag them gone? Tracy said, no man, you know, say the man don't kill on the place. And say, what? And the man come at the following day. And every day this man a come. Where you think the purchasing manager go do after a while?
Ask him what is he doing with it, sir?
No, he might go tell him, you know. He might tell him what he do with it. Where you think he might go do after a while? Talk to me.
The man want him and him in a business, sir.
Think about it again.
Sir, I'm going to get the pork at a reduced portion, sir.
Not only that, come talk to me again.
Am I go on discount from him if him start using, sir?
Not only that, talk to me again. Come on, man, I want you to think.
Sir, I can't know what I'm thinking because I see one grade today where boy it has stressed me out. I feel maths.
No, man, guess what? No worry about it, man. So, boy, when you think about that one, you go past that one, yeah, man. Don't worry about it. You go past that one, yeah. Come, talk to me.
Ui.
Every day, this pig farmer go to the place, and I take up all of the leafy stuff them, and the purchasing manager say, no, man, I have to go talk. Why man talk to the man?
Then want to inquire about the man
Sir, it was
animal left.
Sir, I think he's going to want him to pay for it.
Sorry, hold on, Shani. Naomi, what you saying?
Sir, it was when he kill the pig in the after, he might stick them with the leaf to pull up.
Okay. All right, I hear you. Shani, wait a while ago.
So I was just saying that maybe he's going to want him to pay for it.
Talk truth. Talk truth.
Sir,
Yes, sir, because if it's a constant thing and he's paying for it, why not? He pay for this other stuff in return.
Same way so. Same way so. And oh goodness, somebody had said something earlier and they say I'm going to come back to it. Who said it?
Sir, we're not sure where you're talking
But I think is that he's going to start asking for the meat at a discounted price, seeing as though he's helping to feed the pigs, sir.
No, sir. I think him busy about because suppose him get the man them the something the man and one next hotel call the man and say, yeah, the plan. The hotel only such I pay $100 a pound. Me pay you 120. Not think the man go to the other hotel to get him 120.
Yes.
Oh, let me ask that question. Real talk question now. Hey, listen to me. One of the things that I notice is when students participate in class and can understand the concept in class, it makes a big difference. You know, I feel swap nothing because you understand. All of what I'm explaining here, I want to have an understanding. So when it is that I move to the questions and show you what one, you can think about it. I'm going to ask you one question now. Big man thing. Say you work, and she not there, you know. I remember her name. Nikki, says she working in a pharmacy. All right. Jody, me not here talk to me since day. Jody, you work with a company, see? Yeah, man, you work with a company, Jody. And them paying you $100,000 a month, for argument's sake. And them treating nice. The company is nice. The boss is nice. The workers are nice. And you love the place. You love going to work. But when next business place on the other avenue now, you see our advertisement you apply. And I'm saying, wow, we like you. And you're coming from our competitor. I'm paying you $150,000 a month. Don't even tell them, said, no, that's okay, man, because the other people them don't dare I like them. Don't, Jody?
No, sir. I'm going to pray about it.
And then do what?
Then God gonna give me one more for them. I'm not gonna tell them what go on in the other company. Neither am I going to refuse the job offer, sir. But I'm gonna think about it.
Never think about it. All right, so okay. Let me ask Shani. Shani, you don't tell the other company we're treating nice for the $100,000. Say, no, thank you for your service, but I'm going for $150,000 more. Where do I do? You just stick with the company with the $100,000?
No, sir. That's a tricky question, but sir, at the end of the day, sir, we work at the money we want. That's why we work some would actually go at the company where I give me more.
Okay. So let me ask the question then.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir.
Yes, Naomi.
Sir, sometimes I can see it, maybe if them nice here, they be put some money for your pay. You never know.
True that. But I like Shanice's response. Shanice say, at the end of the day, you know, I work to get money. I mean, I agree. So guess what? I the same thing with the pig farmer them. So I give you that example to say to you, say, not because you get a pig farmer, your lettuce and your cabbage and them something they waste, and you're gonna feed them pig them. You are pay them $100 a pound. But after that, no, the man them down the road coming to you, Tracy. The man down the road said, no man, I love this man. I need to pay $300. I'm gonna give you $200. The pig farmer gonna say, blow, times 2. No man. I'm gonna left the farmer, the same one will give him the waste to feed him hog and goat. I'm gonna left him and go the other one come and get more money. People in business to make money. Go Tracy.
Okay, sir. The question that you asked Mother still earlier. All right, for me, if I'm working somewhere and I love the environment and the people and I also love the job, and someone is offering me a similar job for more money, I believe that I would go to my current employer and let them know that I'm getting an offer which is more out of respect. And if they said that, okay, I can move on, and I would really want to move on, but I just mentioned it because I don't want it to look anyway, put it that way. And if they said, okay, then they will pay me more, even if it won't go up to the amount that the other person promised. I believe that
you just stay with them.
Yeah, because I
Me
love
too.
being in an environment where I'm comfortable. And
Mhm.
that happened with me before with work. To me before with work. So that's why I'm suggesting that. But on the other hand now, sir, with being that you're selling stuff, it is a bit different, you know. It's a bit different because sometimes you know if that person is a loyal customer, and when you were in a certain situation and you didn't have any other customer, those persons were loyal to you. It's a possibility you wouldn't want to take that risk. Trust
Talk
me.
truth. Talk truth. You know, as I said, I know Trace. So I go to Curry every other week. Well, then you can tell you, I go to Curry every other week. And I have some of my little friend them down here. And I say, blow, you're the plan. How much a pound for this? And them tell me, say, all right, you don't have enough money, man. Next week, them say, yo, don't do that. Don't do that. If you see something on the stall and you want it, take it up. When you come to market to pay me, don't do it. And this is how my loyal vendors treat me when I go to town. Them say, teach, don't do that. How much you want? And sometimes I say, no, man, it's all right. Me just want 1 pound. I'm saying, no. I mean, I have a vendor now who know that I love cane. And we just have a conversation about cane. And I will go and buy my stuff. And after that, him say, you know, say nothing else you want. I mean, I look around and I say, no. Him say, no, say nothing around there, so. I say, oh, how much I sell that for him? Say, I take the cane and beat with it, man. You want to carry the cane all or you want me peel it or you want me chop it up? I say, no, just chop it up so we can drop it in the bag. So yes, you have people like that. I know who is like that too. The Chinaman. If me I go buy 1 bottle of gel and the Chinaman say $100 and the blacker needs say $100, I'm gonna go to the blacker needs and say, yo, you know, so me have $95. The blacker needs go to me says $100, sir, come out of my store. But if I go to the Chinaman and say me have $75, the man gonna say, come, but you owe me. You owe me. And that's why the Chinaman will make it in this country. I don't know how many of you will go and see the man in my whole price and all like things like all breadfruit. I say, me now buy some. Look how much people have breadfruit here. Me now buy one breadfruit for $600. And see by the time sun come out, what am I have to do with the breadfruit?
Really told.
Breadfruit, them I go get right. Them have to throw them gag.
Them have to dash them out because the breadfruit them ripe up. So that's why I say, no hold the price. Somebody come at $400.
Sir, excuse me, I don't mean to cut you, sir, but my almost on my way home and my phone is dying, sir, but me I got join back before class ends.
All right, cool, no problem.
Okay.
All right. And anyway, Shanice, officially, you're craving. Very craving, right? Because we have a nice, good class and you go talk about all of this food make you hungry. You're craving, man. But never mind, Shanice. If
So
you're
you
gonna learn
want to see she fat?
I leave Shanice alone. Shanice a fact. Hey, Shans, maybe because I'm teaching for the first time, but you see, every example I give is food. So now come a class hungry. Because you're
Sir,
gonna
but
get hungry.
always hungry, sir. Always.
All right, never mind. All right, so I'm happy that you guys are understanding this. All right, so let me just finish reading this verse now. It says, as purchase is defined as a form of the purchased product that needs some preparation before it is ready to be served in its edible form. The preparation needed is usually that of trimming waste from the product and separating it from the usable product. Although yield tests are usually performed on raw products, they may also be performed on prepared products. Many of these products are not 100% usable, as they include some waste. You see, all the examples they gave me, the grape, unless you're having the seedless grape, which is not good, you can't eat everything there. So, but of course, we have the vine that will come on. You have to throw with that. All right. The strawberries, we have a green leaf on it, and sometimes the neck of the strawberry is kind of a little hard. I don't want to eat it. If you're eating a plum, it has seed. If you're eating a nectarine, it has seed. A peach, it has seed. If you're eating a mango, somebody suggested mango. I've never eaten a mango without seed. So we have a seed in there. We have skin. All right. So those are not 100% edible. It has some ways to it. Somebody said something and I said, I'm going to come back to it. I'm going to come back to it right about now. It says the purpose of the yield test is to break down the product into usable product and non-usable waste. So some waste are usable, some waste are non-usable. You see the same something I tell you about the leaf them? Is that non-usable or usable?
Sir,
Use it
some of
sir,
them you
because
can
you
use them
use
for
it back, sir.
garnish.
Yeah, true. I heard both answers. Yeah, so it's usable. All right, good. Give me an example where the waste is, you have a non-usable waste.
I don't see.
Sir, when you have the color looser, I just strip off the little tough skin part down at the stem part, sir. They can't use back that, sir.
Good, excellent example. Give me one more, somebody, please. Very good. One more, somebody.
Sir, like when you got the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you know, say calamari. Calamari is one of them waste something in the fish, you know. Well, look. Well, me scrape you out. Because me not eat none of them
Calamari,
something.
sir?
Huh?
Calamari?
Yeah, and I say, and that.
No, man. The calamari is what they call the squid, you know, and it is come separate.
It comes separate?
Yes, sir.
Because I spoke to a fish vendor some time ago, and who is incidentally one of my good friends. And me see her with the stuff, and she said, no man, when we do this something with the fish, we're not dashing them something there. Unless maybe is, I don't know. But to my mind, I figure she was saying that is a piece of the waste that come out, but it can be eaten. And they pay good money for it, you know.
Sir, you know,
Good.
they have a part in it that look like a rope.
Yes, that's what they're talking
That
about.
part, I've seen the chef where I used to work, fry it and eat it.
Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. That's exactly the one I'm
Okay,
talking
I
about.
don't remember the name of it, but it's not calamari.
Oh, it's not calamari. Okay.
No.
But yeah, man, and them take it out and eat it. Matter of fact, there is some part of the raw fish when being prepared. You see the man them like slice off something in the something and eat it and say that part of the fish is good for you. You know, I won't die that way because I'm not doing it. That's nasty. But you know, we as Jamaicans do some things that other people can't understand, because I'm sure every striking wanna be in class. When I season up on the meat, and I take it out on the meat, when I do with it, after I take it out of the meat, when I season it up. You taste it, Naomi. You taste it. You taste it to make sure say it have enough salt, it have enough pepper, it have enough everything. And you know, I go abroad and I did the same thing. I said, oh my God, you're nasty. It's raw. You can get sick. I say, oh, if me not get sick for these many years, me not get sick again. But that's just one of the things that we do in this region. We are tasting meat. And that's why we can cook. Because if it not tastes the way we want to taste,
adding to it.
we're adding to it. We add something to it. It want a little more salt. It want a little more this. It want a little more that. And life, go ahead.
Sorry to interrupt. You believe that most persons that use measurements or like a recipe to get some things done, you believe it is always perfect, or you know, other persons in different region, that the taste buds are different? You understand what I mean?
Perfectly. And what I'm going to say to you is that I want you to come out of my headspace, because it's one of the things that I was going to talk to you about. You know, Tracy, some years ago, love, I was at school and I was so hungry. I said, no, mom, I want something to eat, I want something nice. I drive out. I'm going to catch you on a crossroad and pass one place. I'm going to tell you its name, Fish Pot. I'm going to stand up on that place and say, I can't eat. You know, on the picture something, we see some nice little swims. You know, I said, blow warm. I said, no, man. And then I started to salivate. And I went to the cashier and said, I need a bowl of swims soup. And she said, no problem. I'm going to carry the swim soup, man. Never eat it there, no. Carry the swim soup. And reach back to school and eat the soup. Blow. I said, all the head of the swims in my chop. I try it up until it get fine and then swallow it. It next. You know, so the following day, I go back to the place, go by. And I was just remembering how I enjoyed my lunch yesterday. I said, me now, go on to work, go sit down. I sit down right in there and eat it. Bust the container, man, I take, you know, if you're drinking the soup and don't do that, it don't taste nice, don't?
There's no like a foodie.
So, you take the first slurp. I said, no, sorry, this not taste good. I said, this not taste good, man. I said, all right, I swallow. No, man. No, man, that one it tastes wicked, man.
And change the chef.
Me go taste it again. And the second taste tastes worse than the first taste.
Jesus.
Me cover it back and I go to the cashier and I say, he said, this man that cooked the soup yesterday is not at work today. And she look at me and I had them open up. And the cashier said to me, how you know that? I said, because this soup don't taste like the one yesterday. And she said, Jesus have mercy. And she called somebody and say, see, me tell them, say, no. No. Me tell them, say, Tracy can cook, you know. And you know for put Naomi, because Naomi don't know what to do. And then the super come to me and said, sir, I apologize. Would you like something else on the menu? I said, no, give me back my money. And I took back my money and I walked out of the place. So you ask a question and I'm saying to you, even though there is a recipe to be followed, it is not exact. Do you know that KC has a recipe?
Yes, sir.
But do you know that when you go one KC to the other KC in Jamaica here, you can taste the difference?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. When you cook your food at your yard yesterday and cook it today again, it's not the same taste you get. Why? Because of what? Which is true. Because your today's pinch is not tomorrow's pinch. You follow me?
Yes, sir.
Today's dash, you put a dash of something, is not tomorrow's dash. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Good. So cooking is not an exact science. So where you cook today and where you taste today is not going to be the same thing for tomorrow. All right. So we have about half an hour left. And I want us to go through this form that I have here. I'm trying to reduce it. Okay, I know what I can do.
Jay?
Hold on. Hide access bar. Let me just hide it. Hold on. All right. All right. Can you see the screen in its entirety?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good. I hope I can put this back. All right. So this is my yield test form for my green beans. All right. Watch me. We're going to talk through this thing together now. I want you to pay attention to what is happening. My yield test standard portion, cost form. When you're going to the hotel industry, you may not have a form looking exactly like this, but technically, you're going to have things of this nature. Hold on 1 minute, please. So, you're filling out this thing because you want to know your yield test. You want to know your yield test. Sir, what is yield test? Okay. If you don't remember. A yield test is a process in which raw product purchased in an as purchased form is broken down into the edible product and your waste. So when you do the yield test, the yield is telling you how much of this you're going to get versus how much of that you're not going to get. What you get is going to be your edible portion. What you not get is going to be your waste. All right, watch me. My product is green beans. My product is green beans. How much did I pay for the green beans?
$38.
Very good. I paid $38 for it. How many pounds did I buy?
24, sir.
Excellent. So my as purchased cost is how I buy the stuff, how much money we pay for it. $38. My as purchased weight is how much of this green beans that I would have purchased. I purchased 24 pounds. The menu listing, what ACCOMP mean? Shortening for something. See, have a period right there, so.
I think you mean a company, sir.
Accompaniment or a company, very good. So it means, say, the green beans is not a standalone meal. It is going to be complementing something on the plate. Either a slice of fish, chicken, pork, beef, you name it. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
No. It's not the corner street man. When they take out a coffin box and him serve the food, the coffin box can't shit. You're supposed to know your standard serving size. Tell me what the standard serving size in this question is.
3 ounce, sir.
3 ounces. Let me pause. You understand why I had to go through pounds and ounces with you before I start this?
Yes, sir.
Because you need to know about them something there. So yes. So it means if you're preparing for a function, the serving size is going to be 3 ounces. Now, what you may do, you may cut your string beans. I know some people, when they're doing string beans, and I hate it, then keep the tip of the string bean on. So string beans, it could be something that is going to be used as, 100% edible. But for me, for my string bean, you see where the stem was? I have to snip off that. You see where the tail is, where the point is something? I have to snip off that. I hate to see that in my plate. It's a turn off. And I cannot eat the string bean with the tip on it. And then the people them not say, no, boss, you're the best part of your throw. I said, I don't care. I don't want it. It's unattractive. Watch me. What the man them do sometimes, the string beans are generally in the same length. The first 2 or 3 them servings, them measure and them get 3 ounces and them recognize that 4 string beans is 3 ounces. Don't believe say every serve them, I'm gonna put 3 more in there and I'm gonna put it on the scale. If them weigh the first set and get 4 string beans for 3 ounces, all the man I'm gonna do when I serve it, I take out 4 and put it in the plate, because if Shani sit on side of me and me get 4 and Shanice get 8, you know it's a problem, don't?
Sir, may I either eat it, sir?
No, man, you can't do that, man. You're not me charge you then. Come here, go on, say, how you get so much? Beg a piece. So you have to be consistent. And I'm saying this to say to you that this is why is that when you're in the hotel industry and you're serving, or you go to a banquet or whatever it is, you go to a wedding reception, that the serving size will have to be consistent, because they know say, me I go tell you say, no, give me that plate and you take my plate, because you want no further mine. All right. And what is also important, which is what we're going to calculate now, is the cost. Remember, you're going to have business to make money. So not because me, Shanice, me I go say, oh no, man, give her 2 servings. No. Because me going to business to make money. When me Chinese 2 servings, that come out of my pocket, because of less money me I go collect. All right. So the as purchase cost, as purchase weight is 24 pounds. The as purchase cost is $38. The standard portion size is 3 ounces. Rockstone. This as purchase cost per pound, and then get $1.58. Or them get that?
Sir, I think you divide the as purchase weight by the as purchase cost, sir.
Do it until we get, Shanice.
Yes, sir, that's what I got, 1.58.
Okay, so you said it wrong the first time though. That's why I asked you to do it. So it's going to be the as purchase cost divided by the as purchase weight.
Okay,
right.
Sir.
You said it the other way around. But guess what? I am proud of you. Is everybody seeing what Shanice is seeing? Can somebody talk to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, unless it's a buffet. Yes, Tracy. But you see, we don't like go buffet dinner when you have craving people there, because them say a little bit of curry goat, but they might take out 3 scoop.
Yes, sir.
I saw them stay man, them craving 3 scoop and a little bit out there, and we then up behind you, a 1 long line for the curry goat line. But
sir, them all like carry 2 plates to serve. How you say what with 2 plates?
Them craving, hey, that's why we don't like go hotel when you have only for the Jamaican them there. Like Heroes Day and them something there, the Heroes Weekend, the long weekend, when nothing of Jamaica. No, sir, because we don't know if we carry ourselves. We don't still go. We can't carry road. We can't carry go road, man.
True, sir. We can't carry go nowhere at all, sir.
You see the foreigners them? They're gonna say, oh, what is this? They say curry goat. Oh, let me have a taste. And they might take 1 tablespoon of something, They might take one, but we know I'm gonna use a cook spoon. And we have platter, 3, 4, 8, full 8 in the plate. Yeah, but anyhow, so very good. So my as purchased cost per pound is going to be $1.58. So I know that the item is costing me $1.58 per pound. Watch me now. We're looking at the weight, product use, We're looking at our pounds. We're looking at our yield. Remember, you know, everything that we're talking about there is a yield test, you know. Is our yield test. So remember, our total weight was 24 pounds. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
So if I order 24 pounds from you and you carry 24 pounds and come give me, you give me the 100%? I want to ask for?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you understand now why this is 100% right here, so because 24 pounds is going to be 100%.
Yes, sir.
You see the green beans now? You see when we trim the green beans, this is what you feed it out into the hotel, you know, guys. So you see when we have the green beans now, and you have a little apprentice wanna, you know, you buy 24 pounds and say, yo, take the basin, yo, trim up that. And not take the whole day no matter you, because guess what, lunchtime is in half an hour. I'm going to steam the green beans them and say, yeah, man, boss, I'm going to do the thing them, man. And when him done, and him wait, look, cut him get him say, you know, so boss, me get 2 pounds. Him say, write it up on the yield sheet form. And him write 2 pounds. How much pound would be my edible portion?
22, sir.
Talk truth. See it right, just so? You know what? Let me spotlight, because some of you may be looking for my thingy bob and not seeing it. So tell me that you see my red stuff now.
Yes, sir.
Good. So remember now, his trim. When him done trim up the something, you know, he might get 2 pounds. So him say, you know what, him subtract the 2 pounds from the 24 pounds and him get the 22 pounds. So my edible portion now is going to be 22 pounds. Watch me. My trim loss is 8.3%. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Anybody know how we get 8.3%?
Sir, because you minus the loss from the total weight, sir.
Sir,
You're
you
right.
minus the loss from the 100%.
No, but before you reach there, so though, the pair of you, how me get this 8.3? It's just like how you tell me say get the $1.58 or so. More tell me
Sir,
how much.
you
Go ahead.
divide the 24 into 100, sir. And you would have get 1%. You would have get the amount for 1 pound of the green bean. How much percentage is it, sir?
Do it until me to get the answer.
Okay, sir.
You do it until me to get the answer. I'm going to ask the class. How do you think I got that 8.3%? How do you think I got the 100%?
Yes, sir. We get it, sir.
So tell me what you did now.
So you divide the 24 into 100, sir. The 24 pounds into the 100%, sir. And you would have get 4.16, sir. So that would account for 1 pound, sir. That would be the percentage of it, sir. 4.16. Sir, and you say it's 2 pounds, so you just multiply it by 2, and that's how you get 8.3, sir.
Okay. Is there another way that you can do it, guys?
Sir, I tried the way that Chinese mentioned a while ago.
And got it?
Yeah, I think we can try another way.
Shriki, me not hear from you. By the way, that's how you pronounce the name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come talk to teacher now. You just go on like. Yeah,
Sir, I'm just come on because my internet was giving problems, so I just listen and so.
Okay, you just come on. All right, I forgive you then. All right, because we have one big thing going on now. We just discovered the Chinese craving. You know Chinese?
Yes, sir.
She craving for true?
Yeah.
Peas and peas. Story come to bum. Boy, Shanice is kind of dark tonight. Nobody don't find any other way to do it?
Sir, show your way. We don't try
So
to understand about it.
All right, let me go for my writing tablet. That method that you use, that Chinese use, can work. I would use that method though, but it can work. So You notice what I've done when she said to me, sir, I can't do it this way. I said, do it. Because remember, no, I am not going to impose upon you my method. I want you to come to the, remember, no, I learned from you guys, you know. Because when me that called calamari, Tracy said to me, son, no calamari that. I want different twist up, run up, something. Me I talk about. All right. So look at what I would do. I know my loss is 2 pounds. Okay, hold on. I know my loss is 2 pounds. How many pounds did I purchase in total?
24.
24. And I'm trying to find a percentage of that. So do that for me. 2 divided by 24 multiplied by 100% and what you get.
Yes, sir. You're
8.3.
38.3.
Yeah, 8.3%. So now, so look at what is going to happen. To find the percentage now of my edible portion, I can do it one of 2 ways. I can say 100% minus the 8.3. I think Naomi was suggesting this method and get a 91.7%. Or I can do it just like what I did this one. This 22, I can say 22 over the total amount that was purchased, which is 24, divided by 24. Times 100%. Do that and tell me what you get, please.
$91.66.
Something to make calculator, you know.
Same thing as the 91.7%.
They don't turn that down. I'm still in class. And my mic is not muted. Where my calculator malfunction?
Clear it again and try.
Still I get the same thing. I good
What you
at
getting?
feel maths.
What you getting?
It not come up. I just a 91. It not me not get the points 7.
What type of calculator you using?
Wait there, Mr. Ben. Is that name? Wait
Oh,
there, Mr. Penn. Mr. Penn scientific calculator.
oh,
Nah, go on with itself at all.
no, I'm going with itself at all. We
Mm-mm.
can't help if we use that one. Then. The one that sound like a bootleg one.
Probably.
Mhm. Everybody's trying to get a 91.7.
Nah, give me no just that. Let me see what can I use my phone. Oh, good.
Shani, you get it?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
I forgot switch calculator, Johnson.
All right, so while Tracy try sort out right there, so there's something that I'm seeing here that I don't know, and I want you to help me. I want you to help me. I'm depending on you to help me. It says right here, the number of portions equals to 117. Wait till them get that.
Sir,
Justice. Sir,
Mm.
you know that for the first one, the 2 over 24 times 100%, it give me 8.13. That the calculator give me.
8.13?
Mm-hmm.
No, Mr. Penn not going too good.
I don't be saying not going good at all.
You have to go separate ties. Bad company that. Poor go
Very
come for you.
much. I get rid of it for true, man. That's it put me in a trouble now.
I want you to think about that 117. I want you to think about it. It says the number of portions is 117. I want you to think about it and tell me if you agree or if you disagree. Come talk to me, you're too silent.
Can you repeat for me, please, sir?
I just highlighted something in red. It says that, talking about the number of portions, but I'm saying that the number of portions is equal to 117. Do you agree or disagree?
Sir, I get it, sir.
Where you get?
Sir, 1 pound is 16 ounce, sir. Right? And it's 22 pounds, sir. So you multiply the 22 by 16, sir.
And?
So you get 352, and then you would have divided by 3 because it's 3 ounces per is the portion size, sir, and you would have get 117, sir.
Why? Chance, are we eat for lunch today?
No,
What?
Energy.
I like it. I like it, Chance. She's very correct. Very nice. So what she said, watch it. Remember, I did say to you, I said to you right here that the serving portion size is 3 ounces. My edible product is 22 pounds. So how many servings can I get out of? Remember, we're doing a yield test, We're doing a yield test. We want to see how much we can get out of it. So I have as my edible portion 22 pounds. But this is in ounces. Let me ask you a question. Shanice go foreign and come back with 100 US. And she say, I have 100 US. I mean, go in my pocket and say, I have 100 Jamaican too, so I have the same amount of money. Go on about your business, man. Is that right?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, it's the currency, sir.
The US value more than the Jamaican dollar, sir.
So what do you have to do in order to compare?
Convert it, sir. Convert the
currency
US to JMD.
Convert it to what?
JMD, sir.
To a common unit.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you have to convert it to a common unit. Common unit means that either we can convert the 100 Jamaican dollars to US dollar, or if you convert the US dollar to Jamaican dollar. So you have both of them in the same unit. So you can do a comparison. Same thing right here. So this 22 is in pounds. 22 LBS, pounds. But this one here is in ounces. But you know that 16, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So if I have 22 pounds, that is definitely going to be equals to 16 times my 22. All right, I don't know, something is wrong with my tablet. Don't know what is happening. But you get the gist of it. It's going to be 16 times 22, 354, thereabout. And then
352, sir.
352. Thanks, my love. 352. And then now you know that your serving size is 3 ounces. So now that you convert your pounds to ounces, you have both units to be the same, so you can now make a comparison. So when I divide my 352 by 3, I'm going to get a 117-point mash. Am I going to pay the point mash any mind?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, because it wouldn't even add up to a half ounce, sir. So you're gonna do with it, sir.
Very good. It's what those a half ounce. It's not enough to be, well, I get what you're saying, but it's not enough to give a full serving size, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So you can leave it alone. So that's how we get our 117. Because the 117 has some change, you know. But that change can't make up. And it's the same thing, you know. Shanice get a full serving size of the green beans. But true no me come from country. Me I go get the little, she'll get 4 beans. But the man I go put 1 bean in my plate. It can't work. Problems. So in all that we do is consistency. And once it is that you can understand the mathematics behind what it is that you're doing, it makes your calculation easier. Again, pause right here. Is there anybody in the class not understanding what it is that I'm saying? What it is that I'm teaching or how I'm teaching? Talk to me now. Hold on, so I tied already and then answer me again. That's what I say?
Sir, them understand a bright
Sir,
spot,
I
sir.
understand.
So tell me, so I understand the man. All right. We'll have 5 minutes left. I may not be able to finish 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, but we're going to see how far we can go. It says edible cost per pound. How do I get my edible cost per pound? And I think I'll stop at that one. Edible cost per pound. How do you think I can calculate my edible cost per pound? Just listen to what it says. Edible cost per pound. Edible cost per pound. How do I get the edible cost per pound? Anybody, somebody? Sean, come, talk to me.
Sir, I'm trying to work on it, sir. 1 second, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I'm just trying. Is it that we're going to let me just No. Now I'm gonna try again, sir.
Sir, I think I got it, sir. Sir, you there, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm there. I'm saying I'm not recognizing I'm muted. Yeah. What did you do?
Okay, sir. So I don't know if it's right, sir, but I divided the edible product by the as purchase cost, sir.
The edible product by the as purchase cost?
Yes, sir. I divided it, sir.
And what did you do?
Sir, that's all I did, sir, and I got 1.73, sir.
Okay, yeah, and you're correct. Um, I don't understand what the rest of the class got, sounds gone from me, you know.
Sir, we're still here, sir. Yes, sir, we
No, but
must try, so we are trying to.
no, but me not on just silent man like
Sir, I
sure.
was saying something to you earlier, I know, but then I realized that I was doing the wrong thing.
Okay, so that's what okay, got
I
you.
was using the 173 along with the purchase price, and I realized that the answer wrong. So I said, sir, may I try? But then when I hear your answer, so I mute back.
All right. Wizard, I'm not hearing you. Our mother still don't come back yet. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna yeah, you have another class after this, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Fundamentals of cooking.
Fundamental cooking. So hold on there. Where do they know?
Our food prep, something about prep, food prep. Something.
You do that online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we
Like,
have practical, we're supposed to have practical tomorrow, but
So-
definitely not at school.
so we're not going to do it.
Most
Sir,
next
I
week,
don't
sir, we
think
never
we're
know if
having
we have a
any tomorrow,
teacher.
sir, because today will be our first class, sir.
All right, we're not gonna keep it too long. One class. God's willing, next week we'll finish up this little something. But you guys did a whole lot of work. Listen up. It's a whole lot of something. This one little something is like all of the topics under this USGS conversion that we'd have done. Make sure you know the stuff. I'm gonna give you the write-up on how you do the calculation. Because I have them all here. I am just playing with you that I'm checking out the stuff. I have them all here. And I just wanted to, matter of fact, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm not giving you yet because I want you to do the stuff. You see my 117 portions here, so? Yes, you multiply
Yes,
16
sir.
by 22, you get the 352. Shanice, you got that? Then you divide it by 3. Yes,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Good job, bestie.
And then you see you get the 1.73 pounds right here, so? And then you see you get the 32 something right here, so? Yes, man. So I have all the working out there now, but guess what? I didn't go through the working out. I just present this portion right here, so? And you guys excellently answer the questions. So big up on yourself when you did very well. next class, now we just, wrap up this stuff and then we just do some past paper questions. Or I want you to start downloading your past papers, take them to class so we can start working them.
Okay,
All right?
sir. Yes,
Have a
sir.
good one. Big up in yourself.
Thank you.
And big up yourself too, sir. Yeah, go on.
All
Yes,
right.
sir. Mango hope I saw the class keep excited, cause boy, the way my come on pan class drag it earlier.
I saw
Oh,
Thursday,
Jesus.
sir, the change. Genuine teacher.
I love that. It sound like a man I got to, so I hope
Yeah, 53 Afferty Road. Me know everything about sir.
the bubble gum.
Same way, so 53 Arbitrary Road. All right, later, guys. Take care.
Okay, sir. Take care. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, my love. I love them.